So what is the manager's job in the sales process? I think you already answered that, but
they really focus on maintaining the staff, the front of the house. I mean, there's managers in the back of the house that deal with the kitchen, but we have front of the house managers. There's like about 3 at each location. They deal with ongoing training and education of all the staff and just making sure that their shifts run correctly. Making sure the guests' experience from the time they come and the time they leave is up to par.
So who does the manager, oh, you answered that. And what does the manager report to you?
What do they report to me?
Yeah.
Well, I see them, some of them I see when I visit them. I mean, I try to, if I don't see them in person, we try to have at least one conversation on the telephone. Just notes throughout the day, how their sales were, how employees were there any issues, ongoing day-to-day business.
Okay.
Just to kind of summarize how their day's going.
Okay. What is the process of recording sales to the company books? You just say daily. So after you do it every day, do you go back and look at it again later?
There's a daily sales report that is filled out that tells our sales, breaking down credit cards, cash, and then we've created some custom Excel spreadsheets, and then we kind of enter all the data in the Excel, which we like using better than an accounting versus using an accounting package like QuickBooks. Mm-hmm. It's a custom spreadsheet, and it allows me to view a lot of data all at the same time, and I find it more useful than a QuickBooks. And then from that, on a monthly basis, one of our office manager creates summary reports to pass on to the accountant, so he can put it like in a general ledger format. He also reconciles all our money accounts. Every location has 2 different accounts, and they get reconciled on a monthly basis. And then there's some other reports that he also fills out on a monthly basis that are very important. The reconciliation of our accounts, just to make sure that our balances are what they're supposed to be. Mm-hmm. Then we have an accounts payable. We want to know exactly to the penny what we owe at the end of every month. And that's kind of how we figure out what our profitability is from month to month. How cash, goes up and down with accounts payable.
And then you answered this. What documents are used in sales reconciliation? So the custom Excel spreadsheet, and the daily sales reports.
Yeah.
Is that it?
Mm-hmm. Okay. Yeah, there's a lot of financial reports. There's we have our own custom reconciliation forms that we fill out. There's our own custom account payables forms that we filled out. They record also another big job in the state of Illinois. We have to report what our liquor sales are on a monthly basis. So they track all our purchases from all our different vendors, and then we also have to pay sales tax once a month. Every month sales tax is due by the following 20th of the following month. So we have to report, and there's besides our food and beverage, we also earn revenue from other sources, and that is our vending machines, like a jukebox, mm-hmm. pool table, and now we have video gaming, poker at both places. So we also report that income on a monthly basis.
Okay, I think that's it.
Okay.
Yeah, can you just give me like emails and names of just like